Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to change the recommendation icon on your Google Chrome browser. This can help personalize your browsing experience and make it more visually appealing. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. Next, look towards the top right corner of the browser. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the Menu button. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Now, scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it to enter the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Once you're in the settings, locate and click on Toolbar shortcut. This section allows you to manage shortcuts and icons that appear in your toolbar. It's an essential step for adjusting your Chrome interface. Finally, you'll see a list of icons available for selection. Choose the icon you want from this list. Whether you prefer something classic or a more modern look, simply click on your desired icon to select it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you interact with your browser daily. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.